Hey guys, welcome to this course on Tableau 2020, and in this section we are going to learn about shapes. So this is the last part of this module, and I will go over here and open this worksheet over here. Okay, name this as shapes. So we'll see how to draw graphs using shapes, and this will help you in plotting a scatter plot also. In the later half of this course we'll be seeing that. Just keep it in the middle indent. Great. What I'll do is I'll just drag this sum of number of birds over here, and I'll drag this country over here. So automatic detection would be a bar chart, and I'll go here and just click over shapes. Okay, so you can see the shapes have appeared over here, and I need to filter out the countries. So what I'll do is I'll keep filter over here and maybe select some of them. I'm just selecting at a random. Great. Right. Okay, you can see the shapes over here. Just keep it here. I'll change the size. Okay. You can see you can change the size over here, and what else can be done is I can put this into country. So you have different country colors. Just click here, do edit color. I'll do is maybe select classic 10 and this palette, apply. Okay. Great. So you have all the shapes appearing over here, and what I can do next is I'll just put this into label. You have the label so appearing over here. Also I can change this size. Put it over here. You can see the size have also changed, and you have this shape radio button over here. So I'll just click here, and probably I'll change this to solid circle. It looks cool. So you can see over here as how I have plotted each data point with a shape, and I can change it from here. I can make it like this, make it like this, whichever way you want it. Great. So that's all from my side in this lesson in shapes, and I will see you in the next module. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a nice day.